The topic of today's video is how to get Manus AI invitation codes. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Alright, so here we are on the Manus AI website, and what we're going to do is we're just going to sign in. So put in your full name, email, and password, and then complete the captcha and hit sign up. So I'm going to do that quickly. And then it'll bring you here. So in order to get an invitation code, you've got to join the waitlist. Now, I'm not going to complete this form because I'm not going to use this, and why would I make the waitlist longer for anybody else for something that I'm not going to use? So put in your email should already be there. And then they're going to ask you what your use case is. So make it detailed, make it good, make it sound important. Then your profession, your work email, so hopefully not a Gmail, something more professional, and then your social media accounts as well, things that they can use to verify you. Then click I am human and fill out your captcha, submit a request. I can't tell you how long this is going to take, but again, there is a wait list for this, so it won't be immediate. It might be immediate depending on your use case. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.